The Holy Spirit is the master counselor. The Holy Spirit is the master counselor. That's why I talk about influence. He's the master carpenter. That's why I trader for paint is the madness to me is the bulls coming out in full force today. All they change the and ceasefire working out in the United States situation. The tariffs and many being boards in play over the next couple of weeks. For now, there has been a 90-day tariff cease where 10% is going to be charged, and the stock market has really responded. What President team has been doing, he was quoted as saying, as to, for many people to start buying U.S. stocks, U.S. is going to take off like a. Do you believe what President Trump is saying? Saying President Trump take off like a rocket ship. How do you feel about that? Seeing we're being enacted by our U.S. delegate, really, right now, China, we have states and ourselves into China gobbled up a conglomerate banks. China is really having housing crisis in their country, and they need all the help they can. They threaten their economy. It is forcing them at a time the state the people get many and people what has happened on plans to make an have to crack a few, but that's what has few U.S. citizens that you have, this is going to work out. You should be buying you the year I gave up my favorite stocks, Palantir, many other stocks that I'm believing are still going to. Netflix is one of those game changers. So is Tesla. I'm bullish on Meta, Google here. The the uh, complaining about it, but you know what? I would have taken it to someone million it to. Thank goodness I learned a great lesson from Sam. Thank cut and what we've seen today. Let's look at what the stock market has done. I'm gonna share my screen. Look and look at share that. See, I'm gonna launch this over here and refresh. So we have over 250, over 100 that just let's get that refreshed over here. S&P, here we go. 104 points. This is not something that happens every day. The S&P really had a great day today. Took off from the morning and we said go. This get the SPY. Yeah, and it's not that I'm this line out PY two. Let's see if it gets to the 613, 609. I'm looking for that. It does have a way to go. This if this is a V-shaped correct, believing that this is going to be V, it's correct here. Like SPY is looking good. Uh, SPX, this is the S&P 500. I'm gonna go to this one. And a nice V curve. I like this move right here. So let's go with Tesla now. 18 range. I'm looking for Tesla to the this line right here, and it feels like it's almost. I'm not saying it is. Off over bullish Tesla. Could like with this money it bounce, and I'm also positive about. I still have another stock does over the next few weeks. I also have another. I'm gonna see what they do, which is that one. It had the biggest pop for me. The Qs had for me. Qs. Let's go a day, which here we go. Qs had a nice little pop here. I want to see today. The futures are flat. Really not giving any indication, with tomorrow. But we have a lot of things that are really if Saudi Arabian money, it's coming here. That is going to be huge for a lot of industry to build. Nvidia, another big, but again, V is a V type looks so, but you almost see the stocks all look the same. It almost looks all Apple. Let's look again, almost like a Apple's looking kind of, yeah, $1 up. Another good day for Apple. Meta probably had bullish. Um, the day 6 points this day. I'm very bullish on Meta. I think this stock is going to be another stock to me that is undervalued. This stock here, I believe in market. I might not agree with everything he does, but as far as he has a pulse on what's the next thing, and you got to give it to the brother. So, uh, but let's see. So, Jets fan up a little bit. But ETF with, with a small account, like you could take to it like 25% by trading this ETF. Even if you bought right before 2028, I mean, this is a and really do nice little chunk of change if you're just looking to maybe just buy and buy and sell in the short term, meaning every type of stuff in that you see these moves. These are all like you look at 2 or 3 weeks. You ride these waves. This is something that you could, or you Caribbean stock, stock that I used to go. If I bought this stock, so this is going to go up. It's alternative to Carnival cruises, what many people don't like. We've already did Nvidia. Again, seeing the same type of V-shaped patterns here. Will type of break till the stock market continues to fall, but that's it is. Go here. Stock market as an investor, we trade things we see. One of the many things in the stock market go on this week is the news that's going to be coming out. What happens in Saudi Arabia with this trip that President Trump is doing, and will China and the United States finally days to really have a long impact on both countries' economies. At the end of the day, we need China as our friend, no matter what. We need China as our friend. We need Europe as our friend, even Russia. So we need to collaborate and build stronger alliances and relationships with each other. And when people do business in an honorable way, they don't fight. So hopefully we can communicate practices those out. But I'm believing, like many of you, if you're in the market, you're looking for those opportunities to make the dreams that you have a reality. we're going to be seeing some of the greatest moves, in my opinion, in the moves in the stock market that we've seen in our lifetime. Many people have seen great moves towards the downturn. We're one of the probably never lifetime again. Like it is time in our stock moves. What could moves? Pepsi, Kava, Ford, GM, ever stock market. Traders are about to have, I don't know, down again.